Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So in what I did in the last episode is something that you can see behind me, and I guess we need to continue with some other parts that need a bit of preparation. So let's have a look at that. So I'm talking about the drive shafts, and what we need to do with them, they are painted, but we have 4 old boots, CV joint boots. So what we need to do is remove those, meaning we take apart, I think, this end. So we take this off, we clean out all the grease, and after that the edges underneath the boots are exposed, so I can do a bit of touch up. Perhaps some rust have sort of crawled in underneath, then I will remove that and then do the touch up, and then I can assemble them again with new CV joint boots and Redline CV2 grease, the nice red grease. Hopefully it will last a long time. So I don't have the boots with me. So the main focus for today is actually just to clean out the drive shafts and make them ready for touch-up. In case that goes easy, I guess I can try and find something else to prepare for paint, because I don't think I will have time to do any painting today. Also, it would be nice, this gray color is the same that I used on the upright, so it would be nice to have the 4th and final upright here, so I can paint that one in the same go, because it's impossible to mix the correct amount of paint. You always mix too much, so I might as well have at least all the parts that I know is getting painted with that paint on site. So let's start with the cleanup. So here we have the drive shafts ready for dismantling. So basically what I will do is take a knife and undo these locking tabs, so I can undo the metal zip tie basically here and here, and then I can slide it off and then sort of get into it and clean out all the grease. So let's do that, and then do the same on that one, and that one. So I have successfully undone or disconnected all 4 CV joint boots, and as you saw, the tulip or whatever it's called, that one just pulls off. So I have a red marking done there and the equivalent one here, because they need to be marked. I will need to do something better, because I will definitely wipe it off. Yeah, maybe I can just, because I need to remove this piece as well. Maybe this is called the tulip. And it's a snap ring, and then I need to hammer it off with some sort of softer metal bar. But then after I have removed those, then I can remove the boots from the axle. Actually, I can cut them off, but I would anyway need to remove them to properly install the new boots. So I might as well do it now. This grease is nasty. It wouldn't surprise me if this is the original one from when it was new. I think it's done its work or job, but yeah, it's time to retire it. I think I will actually take some sort of cardboard, maybe something, so I can sort of scoop it up. The same here. Here it looks even worse. Ugh. Nasty. But yeah, so it's actually starting to get late, but I will move on. But this rust, I think I can remove this with the wire wheel, either on the bench sander or my drill, and then I can paint it out to here somewhere, and then do the equivalent on these areas as well. I also noticed that the coat in some areas is a bit too thin, so another one is needed. But yeah, let's remove this yucky grease. So this is how I'm taking apart one of the sides. The tapping technique only worked on the first one. Unfortunately not filmed with GoPro, but 3-arm puller, and it's coming off. The drive shafts are finally apart. The grease is yucky, and yeah, the tripods, they are, at least mine, they are let's say untouched on this surface, which is towards the end, and on the other side that goes towards the shaft itself, it has a few dots, a few here, and a few here. You will see it on my Instagram. But I think I will keep these boots as they are fine, just dirty. I will clean off everything a lot more, and also inside here, and then I will try and tape it off a bit and remove the rust from this area, as well as this and this, and the same on this one, and also the tulip. And then it should be ready for assembly. Yeah, but I guess that's it. So it's now way later than I was expecting, but it's a very messy work to clean up these. They aren't even fully clean, but I need to go home. I have my normal work to do as well tomorrow. So I will end this episode here. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.